The eighth play appears at the end of folio 21 recto, and we turn the page to 21 verso to find the ninth play, which follows on from the eighth. In the eighth play of the sword in one hand, you're defending against a thrust and you're breaking it to the ground. So as Jessica comes to thrust, I throw my sword over her sword to break it to the ground, and I step in to control using my left hand on her elbow, and I can strike you and do horrid things from here. That's the eighth play. The ninth play is the same, except I push the elbow, and you could go in for the throat cut we saw in the seventh play, but instead you're going to go for the face and do a takedown this way. So the thrust comes in, and you break it, control, and take down this way. From the illustration, it appears to me that the reason you do one rather than the other is how she's responding to the elbow push. So if the elbow push turns her completely around, you'll be cutting the throat. But if the elbow push simply moves the arm out of the way, then there you have it. I'm getting that just from the way the illustrations look. So the eighth play, I'm breaking the thrust to here, and I can strike her again. And if I push the elbow, but she doesn't turn, okay, I can take her down this way. Which looks a lot like the takedown we see at the third master of the dagger, although he doesn't refer to that in the text.